Welcome to Little Educator.
B A bear. D A dare. A fair. A hair. J A jack. K A cat. L A lat. M A man. N A na. P A pa. R A rat. A sa. T A tat. W A where. Y A yeah. Z A that. Now try to practice yourself.
When letter C and letter G comes with letters E or I, the sound will be different. Normally, we pronounce C as K. It will be S. For example, in the first word, CAT is cat, but in the second word, CELL is cell. Likewise, G is normally pronounced as G. It will be J. For example, in the first word, grass. In the second word, gems. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.